Hey guys, I know I made a slime haul. I did a slime haul already, but I'm just doing it again because it was so boring. You barely could hear me, and my curtains was closed, so it looked pink in here. So yeah, I'm just doing it again. And it'll be a better one. So yeah, let's get to it. iPhone 7. Yeah, so let's get to it. And yo. So okay. Okay, here's my curtains, here's my window. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is my game activator. I keep right there. This is just a notebook. I write down things in a schedule, like when I ship slime, when I make paper slime and stuff like that. And then right here is just my thing. I make slime, play with slime on, and everything. Now here we come down to these 3 drawers. And I did put something in the last one, and I took stuff down and fixed it. So yeah, here I have it says glue and shaving cream. So here's just my glues and shaving cream. I have 2 shaving creams, if you can see. I just moved 1 and then 2. Okay, and then right here it says food coloring and extra containers. So there's a whole bunch of containers. That I took out the box. And then here goes oh sorry. It says slimes. Slime. And these are all my slimes, cause I threw all my slimes away yesterday. All of my old slimes that I didn't play with. So basically not all of them, the ones that I have in these new containers, I didn't throw away because I like them. And I want slime shopping, so yeah. Now we're walking over to this part. And it's pretty dark right there, so yeah. Now you see this part is an opening. So I would when I ran out of room for slimes, in there, I'm gonna just put slimes right here. And my TV's up there. Ooh, so yeah, that was my slime haul. Here's a look at it. Here's a look. It's right there. And then right here has some cushions. Because I really don't have nothing to say. I don't have a chair in here, but I think my mom took it out of here just today because something. But I don't even know. So yeah. So yeah. Hope you liked the video. Comment, like, and subscribe.